going on YouTube? GeoSn right here. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bypass the jailbreak detection in iOS apps and games if you're running the Dopamine 2.0 jailbreak that was just released a couple of days ago, and it works on iOS 15.0 up to 16.6.1 depending on the device. This video is brought to you by AnyUnlock, a software that allows to unlock the screen passcode, bypass MDM and remove SIM lock. Definitely check the program out on the link below. It supports iOS 17 as well. So as you're probably aware, Dopamine Jailbreak 2.0.5 is now out. There might be more versions available if you're watching this in the future, but this jailbreak does support iOS 15.0 up to 16.5, 16.5.1 or even 16.6.1 depending on your device. The jailbreak is available, you can download it, you can install it, and you can jailbreak A9 through A16 and even M1 and M2 devices. So this is the most modern jailbreak available. However, it has the same issue like any other jailbreak. It can be detected by applications and they will refuse to work. You will get a screen saying that the application is blocked or wouldn't start because your device is jailbroken. And this could be the case for games, applications, even banking applications and stuff like that. And even though there's no issue with the jailbreak existing, those applications have implemented jailbreak detection for, well, reasons. You can actually do have both tweaks like these over here that work on Dopamine Jailbreak, but at the same time hide the jailbreak. And I'm going to show you in this video how, because the update for VnodeBypass was just released and you are able to essentially hide the jailbreak properly for most applications. So I have this device over here that is jailbroken with Dopamine. You can see Dopamine in here, and I am jailbroken on the latest version. Now, there is a setting here in Dopamine that you might find useful. It says hide jailbreak, that if you enable, you might be able to get some use out of it. It's a built-in hider, but it's not exactly effective. It's not very good for most applications. You can try it, you can fiddle with it, but it's probable that it's not going to work for more advanced detection mechanisms. However, what you're going to need is to go here in Sileo and install VnodeBypass, which was updated just recently to support Dopamine Jailbreak on iOS 15 and iOS 16. So for that, you're going to need a new repo to be added, and is this one over here, alias20. It's alias20.gitlab.io/apt is this one over here. And once you add this one, it's going to be in the link below, you should be able to find here on the all categories a new tweak called VnodeBypass, this one over here, only from this repo. There might be other repos hosting VnodeBypass, but this one is the one that was actually updated for Dopamine 2. So you can see it says an experimental tool to hide the jailbreak files for bypass detection, only supported iOS 15 and 16 with Dopamine 2. So to install this, you press get over here. It's a free tweak, you don't have to worry about that. You press confirm, and if you don't have it, it will install LKit by default. I'm gonna press done in here, and it may not require it by default, but I would definitely advise you to go ahead and reboot your phone, like proper reboot, by using the power button, and then come back, open Dopamine again, jailbreak again with Dopamine, and then try to use the VnodeBypass tweak, because otherwise you might get an error. Now you can do, essentially you can go here in VnodeBypass now and open the application, just press enable and that's it. So you press enable, it says success and that's it. You should now be able to use applications that have jailbreak detection. Now it does not work for all applications on Earth, and it can be detected at some point, especially if the applications get updated, but this is one of the best solutions right now. It was just updated, so it's very likely not detected by anything. Now you can actually move this one into a folder or have it for later, but there's also a setting. You can go here in settings, and if you go here to control center, there should be an option to add VnodeBypass, which is this one over here. And once you add it and close settings, you should be able to have the VnodeBypass toggle over here in the control center. So it's this little padlock over here. You press it and it says hiding. That's it. VnodeBypass successfully hid files. So that's basically it. If this one doesn't work for you, you can try Choice C, which allows you to select applications for which to disable tweaks and stuff. There are other options as well for dopamine hiding and stuff. None of them are 100% working for all applications, and as applications get updated, you may need to fiddle with more updates for those tweaks or try multiple tweaks at once. Just go ahead and get VnodeBypass for now, and yeah, thank you for watching. I'm GeoSn. Till the next time, peace out.